Hello, today we will guide you through how to add money in Meta Ads Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to top up your ad balance confidently. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct business and that your account has billing permissions. It also helps to have your preferred payment method handy, such as a card or any regionally supported option. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. This is your central hub for managing assets, pages, messages, and ad accounts. Once you're in, look for Ads Manager. If you don't see it right away, open the main menu and select it from there. Ads Manager is where your campaigns live, but it also links you to billing tools. Inside Ads Manager, find Billing and Payments. This section shows your charges, balance, and receipts. It's the right place to check your current status before adding funds, so take a quick look to confirm which ad account you're working with. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure the correct one is selected to avoid funding the wrong place. Next, go to Payment Settings. This page centralizes your billing profile, payment methods, and funding options. Double-check that the country, currency, and time zone match your business setup. These details affect how amounts are displayed and what payment options are available. Look for the Add Funds button. This option is used to place money into a prepaid balance that your ads will draw from as they deliver. Clicking it opens a simple form where you can specify how much to add. Enter the amount you want. Keep in mind that minimums, maximums, and fees vary by region and payment type, and the amount will be in your ad account's currency. It's a good idea to align this with your campaign budgets and expected pacing. Adding funds does not automatically launch ads. It simply makes money available when your active campaigns spend. You'll now select the account or payment method to use and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose your safe method or add a supported one if prompted, then review the summary carefully. Confirm the details, submit, and wait for the confirmation message. Processing times depend on the payment method. Cards are often instant, while bank-based options may take longer. When the payment completes, your available balance should update in the billing section. That's it. You've successfully added money to Meta Ads Manager. If anything doesn't go through, verify your payment details, ensure you're in the correct ad account, and try again. You can also revisit Billing and Payments to download receipts and monitor your balance so your campaigns run without interruption.